Dear students, today we will solve the numerical number 5, chapter number 3. This is physics class 9. The question states that an astronaut weighs 70 kg. He throws a wrench of mass 300 gram at a speed of 3.5 meter per second. Determine number 1, the speed of the astronaut as he recoils away from the wrench. B, the distance covered by the astronaut in 30 minutes. Before we solve this numerical, we should know that the total momentum before throwing the wrench is equal to total momentum after throwing. So initially, both the astronaut and the wrench are at rest, so their total momentum will be zero. So according to law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before throwing the wrench, which is zero, that will be equal to total momentum after throwing. That will be equal to momentum is the product of mass and velocity. So mass multiplied by velocity. Since there are two uh, parts in this numerical, number one is the astronaut. So I will write the mass of the astronaut as ma and the velocity of astronaut as va. And similarly, the mass of the wrench as mw and the velocity of the wrench as vw. So the product of mass and the velocity is momentum. So the total momentum is zero before throwing the wrench, and the total momentum after throwing the wrench is this one. So we put the values here. Since the mass of the astronaut, ma stands for mass of the astronaut, this is 70 kg. I write its value 70 kg multiply by velocity of the astronaut, and we have to determine the speed or the velocity of the astronaut. So we will write it as it is v of the astronaut plus mass of the wrench, and here this is 300 gram. We will convert it into kilogram by dividing this 300 by 1000. Now this mass will be in kgs. Multiply by velocity of the wrench, and this time the velocity of the wrench is 3.5 meter per second, so I write here 3.5. Simplifying this, these two zeros will be cancelled with these two zeros, and 70 multiply by velocity of the astronaut plus we multiply 3 by 3.9. This will give us 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, and 1 10. 10.5. I will take this 10.5 on the other side, it will be negative 10.5, and that is equal to 70 multiplied by v a, which is the velocity of the astronaut, and to make the v as subject, I will divide 70 on the other side. So negative 10.5 divided by 70. This will give us that the velocity of the astronaut is equal to, dividing negative 10.5 by 7, get we will get 0. Negative 0.15, and that is the velocity of the astronaut, meter per second. So to calculate the distance covered by the astronaut in 30 minutes, to find the, I write time here as 30 minutes. To convert into seconds, I will have to multiply 30 with 6, 6, and it will give us 1800 seconds. So to calculate the distance, we will have the formula S is equal to Vt. So we will multiply the distance. We can find the distance by multiplying speed with time, and speed is 0.15 and the time is 1800. So this, we remove the decimal and write 100, and two zeros will be cancelled each other. So multiplying 15 by 120, it will give us 270. So the astronaut will move a distance of 270 meter, and it will keep on moving because there is no force which will stop the astronaut. If we have to stop the astronaut, then we will have to exert an external force to stop it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lesson.